Today, we're walking through how to apply liquid adhesive to your Swiss lace front, specifically the Walker Tape Liquid Tape. This is a silicone-based adhesive with a very handy dabber. Now, this method is completely optional, but it's a great way to add extra security and prevent lifting, especially with your ultra-fine Swiss lace fronts, like on our new number ones collection. I'll show you step-by-step how to prep, apply, secure, and even remove your wig using liquid adhesive. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Walker Tape Liquid Tape Adhesive, alcohol or gentle cleanser, a paper towel or lint-free cloth, Q-tips, avoid cotton balls, a rat tail comb or clips, and of course, your wig. Next thing you want to do is prep your skin. The most important step for a secure hold is proper prep. Start by cleansing your hairline and forehead with alcohol or a gentle cleanser. This removes oil, makeup, and residue that can interfere with adhesion. Now, you'll want to make sure the skin is completely dry before moving on. Avoid applying adhesive to damp or oily skin. This can break down the hold quickly. Next, position your wig. Place your wig on your head properly to align it. Use the ear tabs and nape to guide placement, making sure everything feels balanced and secure. Once positioned, gently roll the lace front back to expose your natural hairline. Next step, let's apply the adhesive. Using the liquid tape, apply a thin, even layer directly onto the skin, not on the lace front. You can do this in small dots or a very light, continuous line along the hairline. Next step, let it set. Allow the adhesive to dry until it becomes tacky and clear. This is important. If you press the lace down too early while it's still wet, it won't hold properly and it can create a messy finish. Once the adhesive is tacky, gently roll your lace front forward back onto the hairline. Start at the center of your forehead and then work your way outward toward the temples. Use light pressure, no pulling or stretching the lace. The goal is to lay the lace, not stretch it. Swiss lace is delicate and designed to melt into the skin with minimal effort. Next step, final touches. If needed, you can lightly press along the hairline with the back of a comb or your fingertips to ensure everything is secure. At this point, you can style as desired. Now let's talk about the removal. When you are ready to remove your wig, never pull. Instead, saturate the hairline using alcohol on a Q-tip or a cloth. Allow the adhesive to break down, then gently lift the lace away from the skin. Take your time here. This helps protect both your skin and the lace. And that's it, a simple, secure way to apply adhesive to your Swiss lace front. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes a really easy part of your routine. And it definitely gives you that extra confidence throughout the day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or explore more education resources here on the site. Thanks for watching.